Hi, I'm Cynthia. This is Savory Healing, and I'm here to help you heal and transform your reality. I'm so happy that you're ready to heal. Today, I want to talk about your breath. As an acupuncturist, I spend a lot of time teaching my patients how to breathe properly. Specializing in chronic pain, I've realized that the breath is a wonderful tool, really a gift that we have been given that can help enhance our relaxation and decrease our perception of pain. It's no surprise that the breath is used in things like Lamaze and also in meditation. Lamaze to decrease pain, and in meditation to enhance awareness and reach deeper levels of consciousness. That is because the breath is a vital tool that can be used to control the chi of your body, meaning your life force energy, right? Energy is what your body's made of at its core. It's what your atoms are made of. And the breath can be used to control that chi, that energy. Why is it so important to control your energy? Because your energy is kind of like the conductor of the physiological functions of your body. So it's telling your body what to do all the time. It's handling processes of digestion and elimination and your heart and telling you when to relax. So the chi being smooth and flowing creates health and balance. As an acupuncturist, I use needles to manipulate the chi of a patient's body. With those needles, I'm telling the chi, the energy of the person's body, what it should be doing in order to achieve better health. But you have it in your control to control the chi of your body using your breath. So you can be your own healer in that way. With practice and mastering of how to breathe properly, you can shift your reality. You can shift to a better, healthier you. I'm going to share with you how to breathe properly, and I'm also going to share with you 2 systems that you can put into place that keep that awareness of proper breath in your life. Okay, so the way to breathe properly. Usually most of us are breathing to chest level, meaning we're taking shallow breaths, only allowing the breath to stay about here. The most efficient way to breathe that will bring health to your body is to allow the breath to go all the way to the lower abdomen. So how do we know we're doing this? Is because we'll see that belly expand, the lower part of the belly, not just the upper part of the belly. In our society, we aren't taught to breathe like this. We're all taught that we should be holding in our bellies for a flat belly and tightening our muscles. Not the right way to breathe. So start practicing, take a few breaths now and breathe. Allow the breath to go to the lower abdomen, to the lower belly, and let that belly expand with the breath. So now that you know how to breathe properly, the next thing that you're gonna wanna do is bring that breath to your awareness daily. So I like to do this to kind of battle stress coming at my life like we all have. I've made this a system in my life, right? So 3 times a day, I take a minute. I don't care where I am. I could be at work or I could be online at the supermarket. And I stop, become aware of my body. I relax. I allow my muscles to relax down to the ground. Many times I find that I've been walking around like this from the stress. But taking that moment of proper breathing allows you to de-stress for a second, allows your muscles to relax, reminds your body that you don't want to be in that stressed state. So there I am, I'm going about my day. I'm like, oh, let me do my breaths. All I do is 3 of those proper breaths, relaxing my body. If I'm home, I might stop and close my eyes. If I'm not, I don't. But just 3 times a day would be a good place to start. Another system that I've put into place is for when I have pain. I use my breath to control the chi of my body to start my body healing. And the way that I do this is that, let's say a pain pops up, like shoulder pain, for example, pops into my life. I know that I'm going to start doing this breathing technique. Many times, yes, I go and I needle myself. As an acupuncturist, I can do that. But many times I don't even run to my needles. I run to my breath. So what I do is I take 3 of those proper breaths. And then on the 3rd breath, I will hold my breath. And then I will visualize sending the breath and energy to the area of pain. Once I have the energy in that area, once I've visualized it, I can kind of feel it there. I release my breath and I keep breathing, however, normally. And then I take a few seconds to visualize healing the area. I like to picture the area getting cleaner. Sometimes I will imagine, let's say I have a specific area that's bothering me. I will imagine a dark color in the area, like a dark blue, and I'm cleaning the area and I shift that color to a lighter color. Sometimes I imagine going into the joint and cleaning the tissue and the blood in the area. You just use your visualization to clean up the area, to heal the area. Sometimes I'll imagine my cells going over and trying to fix the problem. This creates a moment in your body where you're programming your brain, telling it that you need healing to be done. You're being the conductor of healing in your body. When I have pain, I'll do this as often as I can. Many times if the pain is high, it's a reminder to do that often during my day. When we're breathing properly and allowing the breath to go all the way to the lower abdomen, it's doing many cool things to the body. It's allowing those organs inside our core to shift, right? Because the diaphragm, which is below your lungs, the diaphragm presses down and all those organs kind of get squeezed a little bit, and it causes movement in those organs, movement of blood, movement of the fluids. And that creates an opportunity for healing to occur. So you can use this if you're having stomach pain, if you're having pelvic floor pain, if you're having any issue in that core area where all your organs are. So I hope you try these 2 techniques. They're easy to do, but very powerful. So go ahead, decide, commit, and take action towards your healing and transformation.